Imagine you have to read 1,000 pages of boring legal text just to make one decision. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Well, that is what professional investors do every single day. It's called fundamental analysis, and honestly, it's painful. But what if you could clone yourself? What if you could teach a super intelligent AI to read those thousands of pages for you, spot the red flags, and tell you exactly what to buy and sell? I decided to stop imagining and actually do it. I taught ChatGPT my entire investing strategy. I fed it the data, I gave it the rules, and I let it loose on the stock market. Did I find the next Apple? Or did the robot accidentally bankrupt me? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn ChatGPT into your personal financial analyst. But I'm also going to show you the one massive mistake it made that almost cost me everything. Let's dive in. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we talk about mastering your money and using tech to work smarter, not harder. So here is the problem. We all know we should invest in good companies, but figuring out which company is good involves reading something called a 10K report. Think of a 10K as a company's yearly report card. But unlike your school report card, this thing is 100 pages long, written by lawyers, and incredibly boring. Most people don't read them. They just guess. And guessing is how you lose money. But we have large language models now, like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. These tools are built to read and summarize text. So my experiment was simple. Can I get the AI to read the boring stuff and give me the golden nuggets of information? The answer is yes. And by the end of this video, you'll have the exact prompt I used, so you can do it too. Before we bring in the robot, we need to understand what we're teaching it. Imagine you're buying a used car. You don't just look at the paint job, right? You pop the hood. In investing, popping the hood is checking 3 things. Revenue. Are they making money? Debt. Do they owe too much money to other people? Risks. Is anyone suing them, or is their factory about to burn down? This is our strategy. Simple. Now, let's see how to get ChatGPT to do this for us. Step 1. Get the data. Go to the company's investor relations page and download their latest annual report, PDF. Step 2. Upload it to your AI. Note, you usually need the paid version of ChatGPT or use a free tool like Claude or Gemini that accepts documents. Step 3. The prompt. This is the secret sauce. If you just say, summarize this, the AI will give you a generic summary. That's useless. We need to be specific. Here is the prompt I used. You might want to screenshot this. Notice that last part? Explain like I'm 12. That stops the AI from using confusing Wall Street jargon. So, I ran this on a company that looked really good on the surface. The stock price was going up. Everyone on Twitter was hyping it. I uploaded the 10K, pasted my prompt, and hit enter. In 30 seconds, it did what would have taken me 3 hours. And here is what it found. The AI said, warning, while revenue is up, the company is currently being sued for patent infringement, which could cost them millions. Also, they have more debt due next month than they have cash in the bank. I completely missed that because it was buried on page 84 in fine print. This is the power of AI. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't get bored. It found a red flag that saved me from investing in a company that was actually in big trouble. So, did it make me a millionaire? No. But it stopped me from losing money on a bad deal. And in investing, not losing money is the most important rule. However, do not click away yet, because there is a trap, a big one, and if you fall into it, you will lose everything. AI is smart, but it's also a liar. It's called hallucination. Sometimes if the AI doesn't know the answer, it will just make one up to make you happy. It's like a yes man. What was the company's profit in 2023? Robot. It was $50 billion. Are you sure? The report says 10 billion. Robot. Oops, my apologies, you are right. See that? If I hadn't double-checked, I would have made a decision based on a lie. Also, AI doesn't have intuition. It can read numbers, but it can't tell if a CEO is trustworthy or if a product is actually cool. It only knows data. It doesn't know human emotion. And the stock market is driven by emotion. So here is my challenge to you. Pick one company you love. Maybe Nike, maybe Coke, maybe Microsoft. Go download their annual report, plug it into ChatGPT, and use the prompt I gave you earlier. See what it tells you. You might be surprised at what's hiding in the fine print. If you want the exact copy-paste prompt I used in this video, I've pinned it in the first comment below. And while you're down there, let me know. Would you trust a robot to manage your retirement fund? I'm genuinely curious. Investing is a journey, and AI is just a new pair of running shoes. It helps you run faster, but you still have to do the running. If you found value in this, smash that like button. It really helps the channel. And subscribe so you don't miss our next experiment where we try to use AI to build a business from scratch. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.